Hello everyone. So today we are going to do integers, addition rule and subtraction, the properties. How many types of properties are for the integers and the addition rule and subtraction. Let's start. The very first rule is closure property. What property is this? In the closure property, suppose x and y are the integers. X and y are the integers. Now, x plus y is an integer and x minus y is also an integer. The next property is commutative property. Dative property. Because there are many questions from this property in the exercise 1.2. Let's suppose a and b are integers. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Let's take an example. Minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus minus 5. Minus 2 is equal to minus 2. But in this property, the addition rules only work. This is only addition rule. Only addition rule works, not in subtraction. If addition. But in subtraction, what will happen? If you will try this in subtraction, AB is not equal to B minus A. For example, A is minus 7 and B is 2. So A minus B will be 7 minus 2, that is equal to 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9, and B minus A will be minus 2 minus 7. Minus 2 plus minus 7. This is minus, this is not minus. And it will be equal to minus 9. So hence A minus is B is not equal to B minus A. The next property is associative property. Associative property. Let's suppose A, B and C are the integers. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to A plus C plus B. Let's prove it by using A as minus 2, B as 7 and C as 3. Okay. Minus 2 plus 7 plus 3. Answer will be minus 8. Wait a minute. No, answer will be 8 only, not minus. Because the bigger number sign, okay, plus 8. Let's do this. Minus 2 plus 7 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Confirm here also. Minus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 7, 8. Also confirm here, also here. Means it is equal to. But here, इसी रूल में the A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus AB minus minus C and not equal to A minus C minus B. This will not work. Let's take A as 7, B as minus 3 and C as 2. No. Let's change, otherwise it will be big. Yes, let's do it now. Upon the rule we have A minus minus B minus C. Let's do it first. 3 minus minus 1 minus 2. Why this E is coming here? That will be equal to 3 plus 1 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2. Now next is A minus C minus B, that is equal to 3 minus 2 and minus 1. 3 plus 2 minus 1. The answer will be have 1 minus plus 1, 2. Next is A minus B minus C. It is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 2. That will be equal to 3 minus, sign will be changed and that will become 3 minus 3. And the answer will be 3 plus 3 and the 6. So here you can see that are not equal. They are not equal to each other. So this property will not work here. Next is additive identity. Additive identity. For example, A plus dash is equal to A. हम क्या नंबर ऐड करें कि उसमें A ही आ जाए, तो हम 0 ऐड करेंगे. So this will be additive identity. Okay. Next. The next property is additive inverse. This property is really important. In this property, what is to do is to find the additive inverse. To find the additive inverse of the number, like a plus minus a is equal to 0. So it will be like this. A plus dash is equal to 0. So this minus a will be, for example, a is equal to 1, and what will be 1 plus dash is equal to 0. We all know additive inverse minus 1. So additive inverse of positive is negative, of positive is negative, and negative of negative is positive. Understood? So now let us come to the multiplication of integer. This is very much important topic. You all were asking me. Multiplication of integers. In this, the signs are also same. I'm going to tell you the integer rule for the sign. So what's happened to the sign? This topic is very easy, and from this we are going to do the exercise 1.3. Plus plus always become plus, you all know. Minus minus also become plus. In this minus and minus, same यहाँ पे भी वही property है. Nothing is different. So let's take some of the examples, like minus 17 multiplied by 5 is equal to minus, and what is 17 multiplied by 5? 17 1 is 20, 17 2 is 24, 25. 85. What is minus 20 upon minus 2? Sign changes and the answer will be 40. What is 3 multiplied by minus 4? That will be equal to plus 12. Okay, so let us move on to the next property. Now come to the property of multiplications. The next topic is properties of multiplication of integer. Multiplication of integer. Of integers. Like number 1 is closure property. Closure property. The closure property is a multiplied by b is equal to an integer. Same here, like a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 4. A multiplied by b, that is equal to 2 multiply minus 4. Answer will be minus 6, and it is an integer. The next property is commutative property. commutative property. For example, A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. So let's take A as minus 3 and B as minus 2. A multiplied by B and B multiplied by A. Multiply plus 6, multiply plus 6. Therefore, A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. Let us come to the next topic, associative property. Associative property. Associative property. And in this property, what is A multiplied by B multiplied by C, A multiplied by C multiplied by B, A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Let us confirm this by using A as minus 2, B as minus 3 and C as 4. Let us do this now. Let us do it here. Okay. So here minus 2 multiply minus 3 multiply 4. Minus 2 multiply minus 12. 24 is the answer. Let's do the same here. Minus 2 multiply 4 multiply minus 3. Minus 8. 24 is the answer. Minus 2 multiply minus 3 multiply 4. Minus 6 multiply 4, 24. Is the answer. Plus 6 multiply 4, 24 is the answer. Next property is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, this is the fourth property. For example, A multiplied by dash is equal to A. 1, and this 1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay, let us come to the next property, multiplicative inverse. Inverse. It is also known as reciprocal. For example, A multiplied by dash is equal to 1. 1 by A. For example, multiplicative inverse of A is 1 by A. Now the next property is distributive property. The next property is distributive property over addition and over subtraction. Let's do it. Before the video is too long, I want to just complete it. Distributive property. In this, multiplication over addition. Let's see. A multiplied by B plus 6 plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. The example can be like this: minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 4, minus plus 6 plus 4, 10. And minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, 6, and A multiplied by C, minus 2 multiplied by 4, 8. Wait a minute, something is wrong here. Two multiplied by C. Wait a minute, I'm just checking it. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 4. Yes, the answer should be minus 8 and the addition will be okay. I'm doing something wrong here. Let us try without any addition or subtraction. Okay, let's now the next property is over subtraction. That is equal to A multiplied by B minus C. That is equal to A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. Okay, so these all were the properties of the multiplication. I will be making a different video on the division of integers. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Share with your friends and also watch the integer exercise 1.2.